How to adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can adjust screen brightness in Windows 11. Now, if you want to adjust your screen brightness, then all you want to do is select Start, then choose the gear icon to open up your settings. Now you want to click on the option of System, then on the left hand side panel select the option of Display. Now the way to adjust your screen brightness is similar in Windows 10 and Windows 11. All you want to do is under Brightness and Color, move the Change Brightness slider to adjust the brightness. Some PCs can let Windows automatically adjust screen brightness based on the current lighting condition. To find out, you want to look for the Change Brightness Automatically when lighting changes option and check that box. If you do not have the option to change your brightness, you will have the option of Night Light. Go ahead and click on this. Then you can simply turn on the night light and adjust the slider given over here. That will also change your brightness. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.